Hey, welcome to another weekend vlog. Yeah, we're about to go to Ikea. You know, my favorite place. I got my mom and my sister with me. We about to go. I'm in my favorite place with my favorite people.
Having way too much fun sitting in a car.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Hi.
I'm here for the winter sale.
Hey.
She's going to sit in it. This mirror needs to be in my living room. Right, Raven?
Right.
Exactly. This Raven's next bedroom? That's pretty though.
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh.
No.
No, you don't like the hat?
No.
Let me see, you want to put it on my head? Let's see, how does Julie look with the hat on? Oh, okay. Julie's not putting it on, never mind. Oh, this is the rug that was on that room. We're back in the car. They didn't have my dresser. It's sold out. This is what I get for buying Christmas presents before I bought a dresser. It's okay, because everybody loved their gift this year. Right? Did you love all your gifts?
I did.
Good. Good. We're going home. I'm starving. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Cause you can't have that background music.
That's not my vibe in the car.
I got my best with me. She's a redhead like me.
Burgundy.
Mine is burgundy too. Ish. Anyway, I was so sick this morning, but I gotta go to this dress fitting, so that's where I'm going. I got my chauffeur dropping me off, dropping me back. But yeah, that's it. Before she throw a fit over her music. I look so I got all the way. Raven,
Yes.
can you be quiet for 30 seconds?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we got all the way there and they're like, no, the tailor's in Africa. So I'm like, okay, you went for Daddy December, that's cool, but that would have been nice to know before I went all the way there. So I didn't get the dress fitting, but right now I'm about to put together this desk. A million pieces, but I need a desk, so I'll probably just show y'all when it's over because it's gonna be messy. It's a lot of styrofoam. Yeah. I just finished putting this shelf up. And yeah.
This is how I play. I play with my TV. Play,
to others and be blessed yourself. Look at somebody and tell them you need to push. Once God gives you a gift, he will not take it back from you. And so because the devil can't take your gift, he seeks to attack you in a different area to neutralize the efficacy of your gift. He's messed up your reputation. You better hear what I'm saying. Unresolved sin is Satan's answer to unstoppable gifts. I want to say it again.
Happy Sunday. Just left my grandmother's church. We're about to go get some food. I haven't eaten all day. Sit in the front. Grandma don't like sitting in the front.
Huh?
Grandma don't like sitting in the front. Well, ask her. I know that's what she be saying. She always let everybody else go in the front. So, hopefully I get some food soon. Hopefully. I gotta show y'all outfit check. This outfit was real accidental, but it came out real cute, so.
I was trying to figure out what we doing.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care.
Hey, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Almost forgot to end it. I've been to Dollar Tree. I done been around a whole bunch of errands and forgot to record, as I do, but that's okay. See y'all next weekend. Ciao.